Cuisine with Eve. Welcome to Mahwish Cuisine with Eve. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. And I'd like to make an announcement. I know that all you kids love cookies. So the special thing about cookies that all you kids love chocolate chip cookies. And do try this recipe. This is my mom's best recipe. For this recipe we need flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, and baking soda. Amara, your turn. So we have some butter, 1 egg, some chocolate chips, and vanilla extract. Let's get started. So the first step is we need to pour the flour with baking soda and salt. Yes. Careful, careful. Okay, now I can be a little messy. Oh, okay, that was good. This. Oh, that. Okay, so that's the easy part. Okay, so yes. Now we put that. And now we just have to mix it like hand. Whoa. Amara, you want to go? Yeah. And you? It's like this, Amara. You have to with a right hand. Hey. Now the second part. Okay, so for the second step, you just need to add the butter into the bowl and the sugar and brown sugar. Okay. And now we're doing the white sugar. It's just called sugar. Okay, so just mix it in a machine till it gets fluffy. Okay, so we have to add vanilla extract and 1 egg. Okay. Now let's mix. Mix it again until everything is combined. Okay, so remember the flour mixture we made? Just pour that into this batter we made. And then mix again until everything is combined. We have to do the chocolate chips. Okay, add them. Now mix it. I want it. Oh, mix it. Mix. Oh, this is really tough too. Yeah, this is tough. Oh, yeah. We'll have to scrape this. Now we have to do wax paper on the cookie sheet. Now you have to take a spoonful and then put it on the cookie sheet. Make sure you clean your hands first. Okay, now you take a spoonful. Now we have to take a spoonful. Just put it there. Okay, so ask a grown-up to put this into the oven for 15 minutes. The oven should be on 375 degrees. for the tasting. I'll take this. 2 thumbs up and